Hello my dear student, I hope that you are all well at your home. So, we already finished our chapter Teeth and the Tongue. In this session, we are going to revise the whole chapter within a few minutes. Okay, so first talk about the teeth. Yes, teeth. So, about teeth, we already learned that teeth plays very important role in our life as teeth added beauty to our face. It help in the chewing of the food. It convert the big particle of the food into the small pieces. It's broken down into the small pieces, mixed with the saliva and help in the digestion of the food. So in this session we are going to learn about the structure of the tooth, type of tooths, and then how take care of our tooth. So first come towards the structure of the tooth. I hope you are able to see this diagram. Okay, this is basically a general tooth diagram. Okay, so it consists of the crown, the part which we can able to see, or the white color part is called as the crown. ये जो होता है white color का part, इसको हम बोलेंगे crown. And the part which is below the crown is called as the root. And the part below the crown is called as the root. And the part between the crown and root is called as the neck of the tooth. Okay, so this is the basically structure of the tooth. Now we are going to learn one by one about the parts of the tooth. The uppermost part which we are able to see, that is the white color part, is called as the enamel, and it is the hardest part of our body. ये जो है ये सबसे हार्ड पार्ट है हमारे बॉडी का, इवन बोन से भी हार्ड. ओके, so it protect our teeth, it protect our internal teeth from damaging external conditions. कभी भी कुछ कड़क खाते हैं या कोई भी ऐसा एक्सीडेंटली आपको कुछ लग जाता है तो आपका जो इनर टूथ है उसको कोई भी हार्म नहीं पहुंचता है ड्यू टू दिस enamel. After the enamel, the second layer, are you able to see the second layer? This second layer is called as the dentine. Dentine is much hard as a bone. जैसा बोन होता है उसी की तरह ये हार्ड होता है. इट इज द सेकेंड प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर ऑफ आवर टूथ. ये हमारे टूथ का सेकेंड प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर है. ओके, now you are able to see this part. It contain nerves. Okay, it contain nerves and it is called as the pulp. It is called as the pulp. Now it is basically rich of blood. ये जो पल्प होता है इसमें बहुत सारा ब्लड होता है with lots of nerve cells. With lots of nerve cells. ये nerve cells क्या करते हैं, जो sensitivity होती है ना, we feel sometime very कभी हम सपोज चाय पी लेते तो गर्म लगता है, कभी हम आइसक्रीम खाते तो ठंडा लगता है. तो ये जो सेंसेशन का पार्ट है, द सेंसिंग पार्ट ऑफ अवर टूथ इज नथिंग बट दिस नर्व्स. ओके, दीज नर्व्स आर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू अवर ब्रेन. ये जो नर्व्स होती है ये डायरेक्टली किसको कनेक्टेड होती है, हमारे ब्रेन को. सो द ऑल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सिग्नल्स, दैट इज द हॉट एंड कोल्ड थिंग्स, आर प्रोवाइडेड towards the brain is by our nerves. ठीक है, so this part is called as the pulp. It contains lots of nerves and it is rich in blood. Okay, after the pulp, now you can able to see this dotted structure. It is nothing but the gum. ये जो pinkish color के होते हैं ना, it is called as the gum. This pinkish color part below the crown is called as the gum. Now what is the function of the gums? Anchor the tooth into our jaw. ये जो jaw के अंदर fixing होता है हमारा tooth का, ये कौन करता है, gums. Now after the gums, are you able to see this type of a structure? It is nothing but the bony structure of our jaw. ये जो है ये bony structure होता है. ठीक है, so this is basically structure of the tooth. It consists uppermost layer called as the enamel. It is much hard. Okay, it is the toughest part of our body. Second is called as the dentine. Dentine is the second protective layer. It also protect our tooth from damage. Okay, now pulp. This part is called as the pulp. Pulp consists of the blood. It is rich in the blood as well as the nerve cells. All sensitivity, all sensation part of the tooth is done by this nerve cell because it is directly connected with our brain. Now next to that, this part is called as the gum. Now what is the function of the gum? Gum anchor the tooth into the jaw. Okay, and this part is called as a this tissue is called as a bone tissue. This is nothing but the bone tissue. Okay, so this is basically structure of the tooth. Now one term is there is called as a plaque. It is called as a plaque. The pronunciation is a plaque. Now what is meant by plaque? आपने देखा होगा अगर आप प्रॉपरली ब्रश नहीं करते हो तो एक येलोइश कलर की लेयर आपके टीथ के ऊपर आ जाती है. इट इज़ नथिंग बट द प्लग. इफ यू डू नॉट clean your teeth properly, then there is a formation of yellowish substance or the yellow layer on your teeth. It is nothing but the plaque. Now the disadvantage of the plaque, it helps to nourish the germs. It helps to grow up the germs. ठीक है, प्लाक क्या करता है, जर्म्स को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करता है. So it is very dangerous because due to this plaque, the germs will nourish into our teeth and they may cause the cavities. Cavities क्या होती है, जैसे कि सपोज यहाँ पर प्ला फॉर्मेशन हो गया. सपोज दिस इज द प्ला फॉर्मेशन हो गया. अब यहाँ पर बहुत सारे जर्म्स आके, अब ये जर्म्स क्या करेंगे, धीरे 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 हमारे एनिमल को, जैसे ये जर्म्स खाते हैं, कोई फूड सब्सटेंस खाते हैं तो ये एसिड को रिलीज करते हैं. ठीक है, दे रिलीज द एसिड ऑन अवर टूथ एंड दिस एसिड विल डैमेज अवर इनेमल. क्या हमारे इनेमल को क्या करता है, डैमेज करता है और धीरे 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 क्या बनाता है, ये कैविटीज बनाता है. ठीक है, फिर ये कैविटी जब अंदर जाती है और जब ये हमारे पल्प में घुस जाती है तो इट विल कॉजेज द इन्फेक्शन टू अवर टूथ एंड वी फील द पेन. So we have to visit the dentist. Okay, so this is basically the structure of the tooth and about the plaque.